Matcha originated in Kyoto and Kagoshima, Japan, where the green tea cultivation and harvesting process is unique and carefully done to make sure the most premium quality matcha is produced. The process of manufacturing premium matcha begins with choosing the right place for the cultivation of the tea plants, Camellia sinensis. The soil and climatic conditions play a key role in the final flavor and quality of the tea. Mountainous and hilly regions provide the perfect climate and morning mists needed for the cultivation of the tea. To keep it fresh and rich in flavor and nutrients, the tea plants are usually shade-grown for about 2 to 4 weeks before harvest. This increases the chlorophyll and the L-theanine content, which gives it a sweet, smooth taste and a rich, vibrant green color. The tea leaves selected to become matcha are called tencha. They are harvested and steamed to prevent the nutrients from oxidation and keep the tea fresh and green. Before grinding, all the rough fibers such as stem and veins are removed to assure fine powdery consistency and reduce any bitter flavor. Then the leaves are slowly stone ground. This method guarantees the maximum protection of nutrients without overheating and burning the powder. The matcha that is produced outside of Japan is usually broken down by using hot air pressure, which destroys the natural structure and overheats the green tea leaves, resulting in a less fine, inconsistent powder with low nutritional value. The quality and freshness of matcha depends on its color, flavor, and how well it mixes. The fresher and higher the quality, the greener and the sweeter it is. DoMatcha preparation. Using a traditional bamboo whisk. Put 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of DoMatcha in a large cup or a drinking bowl and add a small amount of hot water, 60 to 90 milliliters or 2 to 3 ounces. The ideal water temperature for DoMatcha is 80 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk in a quick, light zigzag motion until a layer of green froth appears on the surface. After whisking, add more water if desired, up to 240 milliliters or 8 ounces. DoMatcha can be used both for thin or thick matcha. You can also mix DoMatcha into hot or cold milk of your choice, juice, or directly into a water bottle for a refreshing drink any time of day. Discover DoMatcha. Your body and mind will thank you.